Hello everyone, thank you for joining, good to see you. So today is the 30th of October 2020 on Friday. So happy Friday everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. And welcome back to my another YouTube live stream. So today I will talk about the lines, especially support and resistance lines. And I will show you how I draw these lines. I actually have a rule when I take these lines, so I will show it to you so that whenever you see these highs and lows, you can place a support line, resistance lines that can tend to work better. So every day I talk about different topics. So in every Fridays I talk about my own strategy. So I am a full-time Forex trader in Japan, Tokyo, and my strategy, actually I use Ichimoku as a part of my main strategies. But when it comes to lower time frames, I use different indicator and tools, and that's exactly what I wanted to talk about today on Friday. So I will touch on the Ichimoku knowledge, but also I would like to present how I would draw these support and resistance lines today. So just before starting, as usual, as a quick disclaimer, this knowledge is based on my experience, so when you take tries, please do within risk. So let's see who's here first. As usual, hi Josie, Thanapol, Kulan, and Goodness, thank you for joining. Good to see you. WM, Freddy, Senior, Orania, Danish, Aditya, Nakib, Valentino, Thanapol, and Paul, Mr. Fernandez, Maria, Vincent, and Santosh. Thank you for joining. Good to see you everyone. I hope you're having a great Friday today. So let's see. So in case you wonder what I will be talking about in the future and what I have been talking about so far from everyday lives, you can simply come to my website and scroll down a little bit. The link is actually on the below description, but you can scroll down a little bit and you can find the program guide. So there are topics, there are fixed topics every day, and today is the 30th of October. So you can find the topic today, mastering support and resistance lines. So from November, I am thinking to record a video on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So from November, I'm thinking to not to do the lives on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but instead you can have the video, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes to show my strategies. And the rest of the days, I'm thinking to do the lives. But yeah, I will let you know tomorrow. And you will see that in this program guide. But up to today, in October, actually this year, mainly I do the lives every day to present my strategies one by one. So you can find the future Ichimoku live topics on this website. And also this is for public. This is for the YouTube monthly live program for public. And also you can find the membership live schedule and also the topics as well. And also Yurun, thank you for joining. So Yurun and Maru has been my moderators in my community. So you can also enjoy their introductions here too. Alright, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Alright. Oh, Maria says, okay, I want to ask about the CCI. I don't really use CCI, so I'm not really sure. I used to use it, but I only use the Stochastics as the oscillator now. So I don't really use CCI. Yeah, sorry about that. Hello Roy, thank you for joining. And Yasin, Shaun, good to see you. Gil, and Nico, Nikolai, thank you for joining. Tin, nice to see you again. Alright, so let's talk about the support and resistance line today. And today's live is going to be a little brief. I think it's going to be about 30 minutes long. But hopefully you get the essence of the lines. So, how I draw these lines, support and resistance lines. Usually I take, or actually, I take the 2 points at least to draw the lines. So for example here, you might see that there's a top here, there's a recent high here. So this is EURGBP daily chart, and on the day of 11 September, you see the highest price. So you might draw the horizontal line like this way. You might draw the 929.92 area here. So you might draw the line like this, but this one I won't take it because I only see one resistance so far. If I see 2 or more points in the past, then that's exactly when I draw. So right here, if you look at the chart in the past, there is no resistance before, and that's why I don't really draw the line like this. And as far as the support, like when you see, let's say you see the support here in the past, on this day of 3rd of September, you see the lowest price here. And in this case I draw because on this 0.8866 level, I draw this support line because I find a couple of supports in the past too. I find 2 supports in the past here, and that's why I draw. I take this line so that when the price comes backwards in the future, it might be supported in this area. So I only look for where the price bounces at least twice or more times, so that it can be more decent lines as a support and resistance lines. So let's look at the Euro USD. Oh, by the way, Euro GBP is right now flat ranging, so I won't look for any buy or sell chances. But let's look at the Euro USD. Alright, so here is Euro USD daily chart, and you can find a couple of resistances here. You can find that there was a past double top and also head and shoulders, and the price went downwards afterwards. And then the price became bullish in the wave, and now it's going backwards. So in this case, I can't draw any support lines because if I take this low, and if I draw the line like this way, then I won't find any past support area here. At this point, between 24th and 28th of September, that was a little bit overshooting. So I don't take this as a support, but I would take another line like this way. And but even in the past, even all the way in the past, we don't see any support in this area. So that's when I don't really trust these horizontal lines in this case. So I always look for at least 2 points to bounce to draw the lines. And also the resistance line too. On the resistance line, I will keep the line like this because there was one resistance, and also in the past there were a couple of resistances in the past. So in terms of this resistance line, it might work in the future on this 1.1876 area. When the price goes backwards this way, then it might be resisted, and the price can go down potentially. But if you look at the low, even if I draw the support line like this way, it might not gonna work. It might break downwards too. So that's why I won't take this support line right now. But instead, in this case, if the price goes backwards this way, then I will draw the trend line. I will draw the trend line this way because I see 2 points as a support by this trend line if the market retraces backwards from here. So that's how I draw the trend lines as well. So, but right now there is no support here yet, so I won't draw this trend line yet. And in terms of the Ichimoku analysis here on this Euro USD, it is going down on the daily chart, and the price is now below the Kumo here. So, but however, we still see the bullish Kumo here, Senko span AB flat, and Kijun Sen is flat still. And Chikou span is exactly overlapping with the candles. So there's a good chance that the price can retrace backwards to Kijun Sen and the Kumo. Right, and this is Ichimoku analysis. But in terms of the support line, I won't draw this one here because it might break downwards too still. So I hope you get the idea of how you can draw the support and resistance lines. Alright, Maria, you're welcome. And Ivan, good to see you again. Sure, good to see you. Alright. Hi Prof, thank you for joining us, sir. Good to see you. And Orania, do you use dollar currency index DXY? I don't really use that because I am a Forex trader. I don't usually trade stocks, so I don't really pay so much attention on the DXY. So let's check out some other markets and see which one is trending right now. So here is EURJPY. Oh, EURJPY looks to be downtrending. So here is another nice example. So I draw the line like this way. I draw the support line on the at this 122.620 area. That's because I saw a couple of supports in this area. It wasn't just one time, but it was between 21st of September until the 28th of September. There was supported. The price was supported at this 122.620, and that's why I draw the line like this support. And once it breaks, I expect the market continue to go down this way, which is happening right now. So yeah, it is important to find at least 2 or more like bounces in the past and draw the lines. Sometimes I see like you only see like one resistance like at this level, and you draw the line like this by only seeing one bounce here. But this might not gonna be so reliable. If the price goes up or this way, it can break out easily. So make sure you connect at least 2 or more dots to draw the support resistance lines and also the trend lines as well. So let's analyze this EURJPY and see if we can capture some trending market and also the trading edge sell on this EURJPY. Let's see. Hello Maru-san, thank you for joining. Good to see you again. Welcome back, welcome back. Yep, I hope you're becoming healthier now. Alright, good to see you again. Alright, I hope you're having a happy Friday too. Alright, goodness, you're welcome. Hi Hibiscus, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Alright, let's see. Hi Deborah Suren, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. Okay, you can also draw a line from the Chikou span to the Kumo. It works in every time frame. Okay, that will be another lines that you can take for to capture the super long trend from the Chikou span to the Kumo. But let me focus on this support line and resistance line today for the main topic. So let's go down to lower time frame. So we can see once again on the daily chart EURJPY, this is going down. So yeah, let's go down to 1 hour and see if we can confirm it. Alright, and here is 1 hour chart on EURJPY, and we can see that this is trending down. The price is nice, reverse in wave, so we can expect the price continue to go down this way. We see the price is below Tenkan Kijun Kumo here, Chikou span below the candles, so this is a decent downtrend as well. And in terms of the direction, I can see the Senko span A down, Kijun Sen down also, so this is nice downtrending. So let's go down to lower time frame. Oh, and one thing, another line that you can draw is the reversal line. I just call it reversal line because, for example, here you see the previous support becomes a resistance, and when it happens, we can expect the price continue to go down this way. So previous support becomes resistance, and this line is also powerful. So that's how we can draw the line as well. But the idea is that you have to connect at least 2 dots like this, and then you can keep that line. Otherwise, the line might not gonna work like that. And also we find another reversal line here too. The previous support afterwards became breakout, and then it was resisted twice here. And we can expect the price go down this way afterwards. So support line, resistance line, and also this reversal line is also very important, especially when it's trending like this on this reverse end wave or bullish end wave. You might find this reversal line as well. So in this case, you want to keep the reversal line because when the price goes backwards this way, it might be resisted in this area and go down this way. But anyhow, this is a nice downtrend on this 1 hour. So let's look at the lower time frame to capture the trading edge to sell now. So let's go down to, for example, 15-minute time frame. Okay, on this 15, first of all, we see the reversal here. And also, not only the reversal, we can find that there is an engulfing breakout. The previous candle, this is our first one. The previous bullish candle was engulfing the next bearish candle, and it breaks downwards this way. This is a typical reversal candlestick pattern, and when you find it, you can expect the market continue to go down this way. So that this can be one of the confirmations to sell. So once again, along with this reversal line, you see even another reversal signal of this engulfing breakout. So you can expect the market to continue to go down according to the higher time frame directions. And also, usually I look at the Bollinger Bands. Oh, and now it's squeezing. I can see that it is squeezing now. So once it squeezes more, then we can expect it breaks downwards this way. It might consolidate a couple more minutes or hours. So in this case, I would just wait because it looks like this is still in the middle of the contraction, squeezing. So after the squeeze, the bands will go horizontal like this. So I will just wait until the bands become horizontal at some point, and I will take that as another confirmation to sell. So that's one thing. And also because this is EURJPY cross, I look at the sessions, Tokyo box. What I call Tokyo box, I mean Asian session, Tokyo session. So let me show the sessions indicator, and this is the Tokyo session, the yellow area, and the lowest price on this Tokyo session was here. At this price level of 1 to 1.622 area was where the Tokyo lowest price, and once it breaks downwards this way, that will be another confirmation to sell afterwards, according to the major trend direction. So once it happens, then that will be another confirmation to sell. Right now looks like it may take a little bit more time for the Tokyo box breakout on this particular pair, so I will just wait for that. Once it happens, that will be the sell chance. And also, oh yeah, don't forget about the stochastics. I use the stochastics as well. So let's say in this 15-minute time frame, the stochastics is about to be dead crossing, I see. So once I see the decent dead cross, then I will take that as a sell confirmation and enter sell afterwards. So that's another thing. And I don't see any divergence in this stochastics, so I will simply wait for the dead cross here and take that as one of the confirmations to sell. So yeah, I would just wait for the Bollinger Band squeeze and also the stochastics dead cross, and when it happens, I will take a sell. And as long as the forward chart continue to go down, or sorry, the daily chart in this case, continue to go down this way, then I will keep trading the profit as much as I can. So let me come back to some comments now. I was basically talking and talking. So let's see. Hello James, thank you for joining. To see you. What do you think about XAUUSD? Let me talk about that later. What do you think about ILSUSD? I don't really look at that market, so not quite sure. But whenever you see the trending market, that's when you enter. That's a rule. Hello Antipas, Karine, Yatab, thank you for joining. To see you. Let's see what else I can find. Senior says you're talking about inside bar. Oh yeah, inside bar. Yeah. So inside bar breakout is what I was talking about. Okay, Vincent says, where do you find the sessions in TradingView? And Marusan replied, so yep, you can basically search sessions over here on the indicators, and you can find the indicator. Just in case if you don't know about how you can set it up, I do this. I only take the Asian session, and on the background color, I make it a bit transparent yellow so that I can see all the candles and other lines. And oops, sorry. As for the inputs, I take the Tokyo session between 20 p.m. until 4 a.m. on this platform setting, and I found that it is the Tokyo session. So that's how I captured the Tokyo session, by this sessions indicator here. Alright, Aurelina says, when you look at the 10 pairs, how do you know every time the right time to take trades? I'm always too late. Yeah, that would be either psychology or the timing's not right. So basically, I look at these pairs right now. I found these pairs to be trending recently, and that's why I only take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs at the moment. Sometimes I switch these pairs and see which one is trending, but basically I look at these. I only take maybe 5 or 10 minutes every time I open the market. Simply because I only look at the daily chart and forward chart and see which one of these pairs are trending or not. If I happen to see the trending market, then I look at the lower time frames and just wait for the trading edge. But if I find all these pairs to be ranging when I happen to see the market, then I would just stay away and come back to the chart maybe a couple of hours later. So yeah, these 9 pairs, 10 pairs, I only take about like 15 minutes at most to look for the trending markets. And that's possible by the KTS strategy. So, and that's exactly what I talk about, the time efficiency. Let's see. Oh, Yurun says, today lots of news on Euro. Yep, that's true. That's true. So the market is consolidating now, but it can spike up and down due to these Euro news. So as I have already spoken about these news, we already had some Euro news here. And also we have a couple of Euro news tomorrow as well. Well, actually, sorry. Yeah, today, sorry. On Friday, there are GDP reports on the Euro. And I think a couple of other news here too. So yeah, we better watch out on these news here. Yeah, every time you have to look at the news and see what's coming, so that you can psychologically prepare for the market volatility at that time. Alright. Alright, Senior says, so JPY pairs, you don't trade before Tokyo box breakout even if you get sell signal, or did it get it wrong? Yeah, so I still look for 3 confirmations to sell, and Tokyo box is just one of the confirmations. If I happen to see the Bollinger Band squeeze and the Stochastic dead cross and one other confirmation, then I will still take sell even before the Tokyo box breakout. So I don't usually depend on one single confirmation for entry. I always make sure to look for at least 3 confirmations for entry every time. And Tokyo box breakout is just one of the entry timings for me. Alright, EURJPY, can you use the candle trend line? Oh yeah, that's true. Yep, you can draw the candle trend line like this way too. And there is a breakout. Engulfing breakout, and also candle, the candle trend line breakout as well for the second confirmation. Yep. Alright, Vincent, you're welcome. Yes, sir says, Tokyo box breakout is one of the confirmation. I try to find at least 3 confirmations or more to take trades. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So when you find the Tokyo box breakout, make sure that the higher time frames are trending also. By using Ichimoku lines, you must see the bearish or bullish trends at the Tokyo box breakout. Otherwise, the price can back to the Tokyo session. It can be fake breakout when it's ranging on higher time frames. Hello, Suricot. Thank you for joining from Kansas. Good to see you again. Yasin says we can also draw trend line as an outer. Yeah, trend line we can also use it too. So we have two bounces here. So there is a trend line like this way. Oops, sorry. This might be the kind of trend line, but in terms of the trend line, you can draw it like this way. So the price can bounce on this price level too in the future. So the price can go, touch on this descending trend line and continue to go down this way too. Yep. So, yeah, this is where exactly I would wait for the trading edge. I won't jump in to the market. I would wait for the Bollinger Band squeeze more until the line becomes flat, and also Stochastic's dead cross for selling confirmation. Let's see if this level is one of the Fibonacci bounce levels. So you can also draw the Fibonacci line retracement like this way. And yep, I found this level was at the 61.8% level. So that was a nice confirmation for sell too. So I can expect the price continue to go down this way on this bearish N wave. But at the breakout, and also this bounce, and also this engulfing breakout, this is already too late to take these confirmations. And that's why I'm looking for another confirmations to enter now. But I still expect the market to go down. So yeah, in that sense, I'm still waiting for 3 confirmations now to sell. Yeah, this breakout confirmation or the reversal and engulfing breakout Fibonacci bounce confirmation is too late already. So I won't take this one. So this is where we have to be patient for the next trading edge. So let's see. Option trading, I don't take trade options. So yeah, I'm not really sure, to be honest. I only take Forex. So I'm not an expert for options trading, so I'm not really sure. If we have just two confirmations now and the third after 50 minutes, it is okay to take trades. 50 minutes after will be okay by 50-minute chart. But if it's too late like this, like 1 hour or more, then I don't recommend you to take it. If the Kena trend line moves downwards, is it a P wave? It was a P wave, yeah. The shape was a P wave. So, and this is a breaking downwards now. Yeah. Hi Mariana, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Alright, Chikou span in 50-minute EURGBP is not good. Alright, you can use the the Chikou span and 15 or 5-minute chart too. But always Chikou span should be below the candles for bearish confirmation. And what else? Waruna says, hi K, now you can calculate the lot sizing, suitable risk management. Yep. Every time you have to calculate the lot sizing. According to how much capital you have to calculate the lot sizing to make it 2% for the risks every time you take trades. That's what I recommend for everyone. So, alright, let's look at the gold right now. And looking at the daily chart, Ichimoku lines. So right now this is, this looks to be bearish now. I mean the Senko span B is going down, but A is flat still. Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen still. So in terms of the equilibrium, this is bearish. So we can expect the market to continue to go down this way on this reverse in the waves. However, in terms of direction, this is a flat. This is no trend in terms of direction because the Kumo flat and also the Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen flat. And also Chikou span touching the candles. So the price may retrace backwards to Kijun Sen or even back to the Kumo at this rate right now. So until we see the decent downtrend direction, we have to wait, which can be confirmed by this Kijun Sen downwards. And also Chikou span breakout, then you can look for a sell chance afterwards. At this moment, because Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen and Senko span A are actually flat, the price can retrace backwards to Kijun Sen or the Kumo here. Alright, so hi Court, thank you for joining. Good to see you. And Yasin, you're welcome too. You're welcome. Alright, so I guess I have to go. But so tomorrow, let me announce tomorrow's topic. So tomorrow is Saturday. So every Saturday I talk about some kind of management or psychology strategies. And tomorrow I will talk about the essence of take profit strategy. So we will look at a couple of charts. It is stopped, right? The chart will be stopped tomorrow, but we might backtest some charts tomorrow, and I will present how you can take these take profit timings correctly, so that you won't miss any missing pips when it comes to the take profit timings. And after the public live tomorrow, there will be an Ichimoku membership live, and tomorrow it's going to be Ichimoku members Q&A session. So yeah, I will see you on the public live or the membership live tomorrow. So yep, today's Friday, so I hope you're having a great Friday. Happy Halloweens. And yeah, please, if you liked today's live, please press a good button so that it keeps me going. So, and until I see you next time, please stay healthy. Looks like the COVID case is still increasing in many regions right now. I heard some countries are still locked down, back to lockdown now. So yeah, I wish everybody who's here and also the family and friends are still safe and healthy condition. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy and stay gold. Bye for now. またね. Thank you.